Hello YouTube. In this video I will be replacing my air filter for a high quality one. This one right here. And this is much better than the factory paper air filter. It is very easy, so stay tuned. Replacing your air filter is very easy. You can do it yourself. You don't have to pay no one to do it for you. For this 2017 Nissan Sentra, the air filter is located right here, and you have to remove the box and this part of the air filter. I'm gonna do my best I can to hold the camera with one hand and work with the other hand. Be careful not to damage anything around the filter. So this is the filter and it looks pretty clean, but underneath the air filter is gonna be very dirty. In this video you can see that the new air filter, the one on the bottom, lets more light go through, and this will let more air go through the air filter. The one on the bottom is made out of cloth, cotton, and the one on top is made out of paper. Also, I want to say that the new air filter is a lot heavier than the factory one, and it's also a better quality. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it's very easy. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow me on my Instagram. And also, if you want to see more videos about this Nissan Sentra, or let me know.